Thapelo Morena shines as emergency goalkeeper in Mamelodi Sundowns' victory. Mamelodi Sundowns extended their dominance at the top of the Betway Premiership with a commanding 3-1 victory over Marumo Gallants at the Dr. Molemole Stadium in Bloemfontein. However, the match took a dramatic turn in stoppage time when goalkeeper Dennis Onyango was sent off, leaving the Brazilians without a designated shot stopper. With all 5 substitutions already made, utility player Thapelo Morena stepped up in remarkable fashion, donning backup jersey to fill in between the posts. In the 10 minutes he spent as an emergency, goalkeeper Morena made a crucial save from a tame effort, further solidifying his reputation as one of the most versatile players in South African football. The football community erupted with praise for Morena, who has now played in every outfield position as well as goalkeeper in his career. Fans took it to social media to applaud his commitment and adaptability. One fan wrote, "Thapelo Morena has now played in all positions: goalkeeper, defense, midfield, and attack. What a player." Another supporter added, "He has played in every position. Let's applaud him. Thapelo James Morena, take a bow." Some fans even took the opportunity to poke fun at rival goalkeepers. Thapelo Morena has more clean sheets than Bruce Vuma in the league. While another comment joked, "Morena has kept more clean sheets than Brilliant Kuzwayo." Morena's dedication and selflessness have further cemented his status as a fan favorite at Kleurkop. One supporter declared, "Thapelo James Morena is a Masandawana legend. We salute you. Freedom of club for you is loading." The Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has also shared insights into his team's performance and challenges they faced during their latest match. Speaking after the game, Cardoso praised his players for their resilience and discipline, while also voicing concerns over refereeing decisions. At halftime, Cardoso's message to his squad was clear: maintain their approach and keep pressing forward. He said, "What I said to the boys at halftime was very simple and very clear. There's nothing to change. Just keep going and going." Acknowledging the emotional intensity of the match, he stressed the importance of composure. "I said I knew the game could become emotional and it was crucial to manage that. We had to stay focused on our objectives." Despite an early breakthrough, he admitted that his team momentarily lost their rhythm, and said, "After we scored the first goal, we lost ourselves a little bit. There was anxiety to get the second goal, and that affected our flow." Even when training, Sundowns showed determination, something their coach was eager to highlight, and said, "I told them the nail may be big, but the hammer will always be stronger, and we proved that." Cardoso was applauding his players for their perseverance. Cardoso also dismissed any doubts about their deserved victory and said, "There's no question about our merit in winning this game. It was interesting to see how we finished." While a growing lead over second-placed Orlando Pirates coach, the coach expressed satisfaction with the team's performance and said, "It's fantastic. It shows the team's spirit and ability to overcome difficult moments. We played a wonderful first half, maybe our best so far, with great intensity and aggressive ball circulation." However, Cardoso was less pleased with the refereeing, particularly concerning red cards issued to his players, and said the way the game ended was not ideal, especially with yet another red card. "These decisions are becoming far too common against us." The Portuguese coach hinted at a disparity in officiating standards when Sundowns take the field, and said teams that play against us always find ways to slow the game down, especially when we are in control and pushing forward, but I never see yellow cards given for time wasting. He pointed to goalkeeper Dennis' dismissal as an example and said Dennis was blocked the first time he took a little longer to kick the ball, then got a second yellow card and a red. "It feels like red cards for Sundowns are handed out too easily." Cardoso also has provided an update on the injury status of Ronwen Williams, reaffirming the captain's position as the team's first-choice goalkeeper. Speaking after the latest training session, Cardoso expressed confidence that Williams' injury was minor and he would be fit to play in the upcoming match, and said, "Ronwen Williams is our number 1 goalkeeper and I believe he will recover from small issue he had today. He should be available to take his place in goal." In Williams' absence, Dennis Onyango has stepped up with solid performances between the posts. Cardoso praised his contributions, highlighting a crucial save in the most recent session. And St. Dennis has been performing at a high level. Today, he had made an excellent save from dangerous header, showing his quality once again. Despite Williams' slight setback, the team remains well equipped in the goalkeeping department. Cardoso emphasized the squad's depth, pointing to the availability of Jody February, Sanele Shabalala, and Riyad Peters as reliable alternatives, and said if needed, we have Jody, Sanele, and Riyad, so there's no doubt that someone will step up if required. Williams' condition will continue to be monitored ahead of the team's next fixture, with fans eagerly awaiting confirmation of his readiness to lead from the back. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.